pretty fucking nice. This bike does not like hills. It's such fucking fun. Just hates them. Hates the hills. Before we continue with this video, I just want to update on my mic setup. I'm currently running a GoPro mount, a GoPro arm mount, and just a GoPro with mic adapter and a lavalier mic from Amazon. I've changed this now just for a better audio quality, and you know, and just for a more permanent fixture. The Dango design mount served me well, but I've decided to change. I'm on a street helmet now, and that's sort of just for a dirt bike really. So I've just decided to change. Maybe for better, or maybe not for better, but you know, I'm just going to give this one a try. And you know, the Dango design mount, the raw GoPro audio and not an external mic, you know, you really can't hear me on some of the moments I talk, so you know, that's why I've changed it. And basically just to upgrade the level of content and, you know, give some better audio to it. So that's basically the reason why. But you know, Dango design mounts are meant for realistically dirt bike helmets, and yeah, I don't run that anymore. An update, but jeez, it's very nice out today. Like nice green everywhere. It's nice. And also just coming out today, just to test my GoPro mount, because I haven't tested it yet. So this is why I'm making like a scenic video really. I just thought it'd be pretty cool.